Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to continue talking about experiences. So first, I want you to look at these pictures. What do you see here? That's right, this is exotic food. Would you like to try any of them? Please pause the video and choose at least one that you would like to try. Okay, great. We're going to share this in class. Now let's continue. We're going to listen to a conversation and I want you to answer this. Do you think Alice will order the frog legs? Let's listen.
Wow, this place is nice.
Have you ever eaten in a fancy restaurant before?
Yes, I have. I've eaten in a few expensive restaurants, but this place is amazing.
You can try a lot of exotic food here, and all of their dishes are excellent. Oh, look, tonight's special is frog legs.
Frog legs? I don't know.
Have you ever tried them?
No, I haven't. But my brother tried them once a few years ago.
Did he like them?
I don't think so. He got sick later that night.
Okay, so do you think Alice will order the frog legs? Probably not, right? When we heard her, she didn't sound very excited about them. Okay, now we're going to listen to the rest of the conversation and I want you to answer this. What do Alice and Emma order? They will order different things, so let's pay attention.
So, what are you going to have?
I'm not sure. I can't decide between the crab cakes or the ravioli. Have you ever had either of them here?
No, I haven't.
I think I'll try the ravioli. What are you going to get, Emma?
I think I'm going to get the special.
The frog legs?
Okay, so let's go ahead and check. Alice orders the ravioli and Emma orders the frog legs. That's right. And Alice is actually quite surprised about this. She doesn't like the idea. Okay, great. Let's continue. Now, I want you to please look at these sentences and analyze. When did these actions happen? What actions are repeated? Now, pause the video while you think about this. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and take a look at them individually. I ate sushi yesterday. When did it happen? Yesterday. Very good. I have gone to that restaurant before. When did this action happen? Well, in this case, we don't know exactly, we just know it is before, right? And this action can actually be repeated. Maybe I have gone once, maybe I have gone 5 times. Let's continue. I didn't finish my food. In this case, we do not know when this happened, just in the past. But is this action repeated? No, we're talking about one specific occasion. I have not eaten that before. Here is something that has not happened yet. And can this action be repeated? Well, maybe if I try it, right? So far, not. Next one. Did he order pizza last weekend? When did this happen? Well, probably last weekend, right? And in this case, the action cannot be repeated. Next one. Has he tried the lobster before? When did it happen? Well, before at some point, right? And can this action be repeated? Definitely. So if you notice, we have two structures over here. We have present perfect and we have simple past. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. So we use simple past to talk about things that happen at a specific time, a specific moment, and usually they are a one time event in the past. For example, I saw a movie yesterday. Now, I can use present perfect when I am not being specific on the time when this action happened and also when this action is repeated. For example, I have seen that movie 3 times. When exactly? That's not important. What is important is that I have done this action 3 times. Okay, great. Let's continue. So I want you to please go to your workbook page 30, exercise number 2. Here, we're going to complete the text using either simple past or present perfect. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. I to Mexico lots of times. Since this is an action that is repeated and I'm not being specific on the time, I used past perfect. Have been. Remember to form past perfect, I need to write have or has in the past participle of our verb. Let's do number 2 together. My sister at a Turkish restaurant yesterday. If you notice in the sentence, I'm being specific on the moment this happened yesterday. And since it is a one time event, I will use simple past. My sister ate at a Turkish restaurant yesterday. Now pause the video while you work on the rest, please. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and check. Paulina has never gone to a spa. Another option could be has not gone. But I went to one last month. I'm using simple past because I'm being specific on the month that I went. In this case, last month. 4. Have you ever tried an extreme sport? 5. I tried skiing last year, but I didn't like it. 6. Did Jorge and Vanessa ride a roller coaster at the park yesterday? Very good. Let's continue. Number 7. What countries have you been to in the past? Again, I'm not being specific when this happened, and it's something that can actually be repeated. Very good. And 8, my cousins went camping last week, but I have never gone camping before. Very good. Now continue working in the workbook, page 30, but this time exercise 3. Here we're going to write questions either in the simple past or in present perfect according to the answers that we have. For example, the first one says, no, I haven't, but my sister went camping last weekend. So we obviously know that it is a question in present perfect and it's about camping. Have you ever gone camping? Let's take a look at number 2. Yes, she did. She had a lot of fun. So in this case, the question should be in simple past because I have did. Now, what would the question be? That's right. Did she have fun or did she have a lot of fun? Very good. Now pause the video while you work on the others. Okay, now let's go ahead and check. Number 3. Did she climb a mountain? No, she didn't climb a mountain, but she went kayaking. Wow. Have you ever gone kayaking? No, I have never gone kayaking, but I'd like to go sometime. Me too. Very good. Now, let's check conversation B. How was your vacation, Nikki? It was great. Did you get my postcard? No, I didn't get your postcard. When did you send it? I sent it on Monday. It's from Mexico City. Cool. Have you ever been to Mexico City? Yes, I have. I went to Mexico City last year. Did you see the pyramids? Yes, I saw the pyramids. They were amazing. Great, you're going to like my postcard. Okay, excellent. Now let's go ahead and continue. Now please go to your student book page 39. Here you have to complete the sentences or questions using the correct tense, present perfect or simple past. Let's do the first two together. You ever a whale? In this case, since I have my keyword ever, I will use present perfect. Have you ever seen a whale? No, I haven't, but I have always wanted to. Very good. 2. You anything fun last weekend? Since I have last weekend, what should I use? That's right, simple past. Did you do anything fun last weekend? Yes, I did. I went camping with